Alrighty guys, so unfortunately after checking out this block again to see if it's good, we have a big old crack right here. And of course it's a number 3, okay? Pretty famous with these blocks here. So unfortunately we're not gonna be able to use this block. And the only way to use this block, of course, is to sleeve it. The other ones look kind of bad too. Anyway, so we're gonna move on. I do want this car to run as soon as possible. I do need to clean this up quite a bit. It's a mess out here. Look at this. So I'm gonna clean all this up, and then I do have a spare 2.5 block laying around. That is probably be the easiest and the fastest way. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move on to that option. So this is the block that I'm gonna be using. It looks like crap pretty much, but on the outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up really nice. And look at the cylinder walls, they look pretty good. Off camera they look kind of bad, but they're actually good. They do have cross hatches all over the place, so that's good. These look like on camera, they look kind of like shiny spots, but they're not. I do have some piston rings for these blocks anyway. And obviously we're gonna have to take out the pistons, and then we're gonna have to re-gap the rings. I always do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean all these pistons up real nicely. And then outside also. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I might just hone it just to get new rings, but I don't think we need it, guys. Honestly, it's not bad. So I might just leave them there as is. And then we have the head also. Now this is the head that we took out of that block. It actually looks pretty good. It's very clean. The valves are all clean. I do not know if this guy set the valve lash correctly on these buckets, with these buckets, so I'm going to go ahead and recheck that. All these gaskets, I don't want to take them apart because they're brand new. I don't want to, buy new ones if I don't have to. But then I'm gonna check to see if any of the valves leak. And then of course, I don't trust anyone, so I'm gonna go ahead and check myself on these injectors. They do look OEM, so that's good. But I'm gonna take them off anyway, and then I'm gonna clean them out myself. And then the valves look pretty decent. Okay, it's not bad. Intake valves look perfect. The surface looks okay on the cylinder. It looks like it did have some work done to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just reuse this. The fastest way to do it is probably there's the 2.5s. I do have some fittings already in here that I'm gonna need for the swap. So I figure since I already have them, might as well just do it. This is for the block. I do have part numbers and all that stuff. A link to all these parts in my other videos. I think on YouTube maybe. I do have links for them if you want to buy them. And then this for the oil feed, and I have the lines somewhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that since I have everything on hand. I don't know if this guy changed out the valve stem seals on this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself also. I can't really tell until I take it apart. And if not, then I do have those in stock, so I'm gonna go ahead and just change them out just to be safe. So I'm gonna get this thing going. I'm gonna get the block prepped. I'm gonna get on the stand, and I'm gonna try to do the re-gapping the rings tonight. So I'll keep you guys posted.